Did you know that every single move you make, every blink, every breath, every jump is powered by what you eat? Welcome to Bear's Super Science Squad. Today, we're exploring the science of food and nutrition with our brand new squad member, Nadia Nutrients. Hey team, I'm Nadia, and I'm obsessed with what food actually does inside your body. Hint, it's way more amazing than you think. Nadia, what is nutrition science? Nutrition science is the study of how food gives your body everything it needs to grow, move, think, and heal. Food isn't just tasty, it's fuel. And fuel comes in three main types called macronutrients. Say it with me. Macronutrients. Macronutrients. What are the three types? First, carbohydrates, your body's favorite quick energy source. Every time you run, jump, or even think, carbohydrates are powering you. Bread, rice, fruit, all loaded with carbs. Second, proteins, the builders. Proteins repair muscles, grow new cells, and keep everything working. Meat, eggs, beans, nuts, all protein powerhouses. Third, fats, your long-term energy store and brain food. Your brain is 60% fat, and it needs healthy fats to work. Avocados, fish, and nuts give you the good kind. 3 macronutrients, carbs, proteins, and fats. But what about vitamins and minerals? Those are micronutrients. Micro means tiny. They don't give you energy directly, but without them, nothing works. Vitamin C keeps you from getting sick. Calcium builds strong bones. Iron carries oxygen in your blood. Your body needs over 30 different vitamins and minerals every single day. Can you guess which foods pack in the most? Pause and think. I'm guessing vegetables? Vegetables and fruit together. Here's the trick. The more colors on your plate, the more different nutrients you're getting. That's not just pretty, it's science. Remember EP27 when Leafy Lau taught us plants capture energy from the sun? Well, when you eat plants, that sun energy transfers to you. We're running on sunshine. Recap time, squad. 1. Macronutrients are carbohydrates for quick energy, proteins for building and repair, and fats for long-term energy and brain power. 2. Micronutrients, vitamins and minerals keep every system in your body running. 3. Eat more colors. Each color means different nutrients your body needs. Nadia, final words? Your food is your superpower fuel. Choose it wisely, and your body will do amazing things. That's it from Bear's Super Science Squad. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Keep learning.